Hi guys, welcome back to Big Red Face. Today we'll be working on how to do one of the better wire repairs you can do in automotive or truck repair in a harness, especially when you get into the critical modules and computers. I'm not saying you have to do it on all wire repairs, but you especially want to do something like this, a really good repair when you're talking about like computers and electronics that are from modules and computers. So let's get to it, guys. Got a broken wire. I'm gonna cut these a little longer for this repair. Alright, we're gonna go further. Just because I like the way you gotta get it longer to the kind of style repair we're gonna make. 5/8 size. So we got two lengths. We're gonna use heat shrink. I'm gonna go, there's different sizes, so we're gonna go this size right here. As you can see, the different sizes. Different sizes. We're gonna use this one. Let's see. Yeah, it's a good one. Let's see. So we're gonna use this one. And get this. And an electrical solder that it comes with. Perfect little kit. We got different tips. I just want to get the wire hot, so I'm gonna use this iron type style, little flat end right here. All right, so put that one back. All right, put this on our you can use any type of solder, but this is great for mobility at a shop. You don't have to plug it in the wall. You could just do it on the road or on the anywhere in particular. So adjust this out. So when you have it down, you can adjust it flat, wherever you like it. All right. So we're gonna do professional repair now. So I'm gonna do this right here. Cut this. I'm gonna go like about 1.5 inch, nice and tight. Okay, got our heat shrink. If you guys can see that, I'm gonna twist this around a little bit. Twist this one around. I'm gonna make little hooks. You're gonna do this first. I'll show you in a minute. We do a hook. I'm gonna put this heat shrink. Say if you have another end, you can't get it off apart or whatever, so you want to put this down the side of it. You want to cut it to where you have room too, so you don't want to heat that up right away because we're gonna do solder too. So put our heat shrink down the line, and now we're gonna put a hook on this one. Sometimes it can be hard to do in a certain area, so that's why they have to make the other stuff too. But this is probably the best repair you can do for broken wire, damaged wire. Alright. Alright, let me take that. I'm gonna hook those together. Just fold them over a little bit. Fold them over. Strong, tight. I hope you could see that. See my hooks? Alright. Now we're gonna get our solder. Electrical solder. Come in that kit. And so we're gonna get our little thing of water. And then we're gonna light up our, we got a tip, new flat tip. Get this one lit up. Lit up. You hear it? Wait for about a minute. A little metal like that under there. Any kind of flat thing, metal, just not copper or anything like that. So that nothing that'll stick. This over here. You guys can see that. We're just touching the outside so we get right in that joint. It's gonna take a minute, about a minute to heat up. Now it's starting to flow all the way around. Just try not to get like a little spiky spark because it'll melt through it'll poke through the heat shrink. Really don't need that much. You can kind of go through it and kind of fix it a little bit. There you go. There you go. That's pretty cool. It's like strong, man. Look at that. That thing's not going anywhere. Look at that, baby. And you just put this over there. I think I'm gonna do this. I go in here and just kind of make sure it doesn't got no sharp little tips. I think these are just kind of clean up a little bit. Just push any sharp tips down. You don't squeeze it too tight, just barely. Alright, I put the heat shrink over it. Start a torch up. Kind of got a little uneven, but that's alright. So, look at that repair. It's a nice and professional repair. Nice and professional repair. Looks really good, doesn't it? I know that some people, I know that's a little more time consuming, but as you can see there, that's a solid repair. See, bang, 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 bang. Right. So these are the 3 repairs from the worst to the middle to the best. Pick what you want to do. This is the best. I wouldn't recommend this one at all, unless you're in a pinch. It's only gonna be like for a little while, like a week or so, or a month at the most. And then I would, if you're gonna replace it with this one. That would be your best option. Not your best option, but it's way better than this one. At least you can kind of keep some of the moisture out for a little bit. And if you want to do the best repair, this is your option. So I'm gonna pull on this one. I'm really pulling. right, let's try this one. Try this one. Oh, look at that. That one barely did anything. See, those ones suck. So, alright guys, thanks for watching Big Rig Fix. And please like, subscribe right here on the right hand corner or in the middle there when the end of the screen comes up. Check the video on the left or the right. And down below in the descriptions will be all the tools. And if you want to support, I have a PayPal account. You can see the link below. And any comments or any things you would like to see or go over, any trucks or anything like that, leave a comment. And thanks guys, I appreciate it for watching, and have a good day. Bye.